Hey, before you watch this video, I'm going to warn you that there is strong language throughout and definitely at the end of the video. I have tried editing it out, but I looked at it and it just ruined not only the memory but the entertainment of the video, and I don't intend to use a lot of strong language on this channel, but I just felt like for entertainment purposes, like I needed to keep the bad language in. So yes, again, I apologise for the strong language, and watch this with headphones in. If you're around small children, I'm just warning you that the language is very strong. Okay, I just made a video and I hate it, so I'm redoing it. Morning. It's the next day after that video that obviously I'll upload before. It's a Sunday. I got woken up about 3 minutes till 9, and like normally when like people wake me up I might go back to sleep again, but my dog was woofing and I'm the only one in the house, so I had to go deal with it. And I thought, oh, my dog's woofing because he wants to pee, and so I let him out, and he did go outside, and I opened the curtains, I put the telly on, I didn't put the sound on, I put the telly on, I got myself an orange juice and ice because I'm strange, and I sit and I'm staring at this like muted telly. I see Betty in front of me, my little puppy, and she's just playing with a toy. And then there's Lennox, he's laying on me because he wants food. I fed them, don't worry. And then Prince was having like a little mini fit on the floor, like he was just like snorting. It's a normal thing, like you have to like let him like let it pass. You have to let him calm down. Anyway. So I was sat there and I heard this tumbling noise. Sorry, I'm so tired. I heard this tumbling noise. And like, okay. We normally get tumbling noises, but not this fucking loud. And I'm just like, what the hell? So I stand up, I go get my phone, and I go text my dad, and then I take my phone downstairs, plug it in because it doesn't work if it's not plugged into the socket. Wait for it to load. And I go get a brush and I tap on the wall. Like I like tap on the walls in different places. Nothing happens. And then I go upstairs and right now and I grab you and I hear fluttering. While I was filming I heard fluttering, and I think I've already deleted that footage, so I apologise. And if not, I'll insert it. Audio clips at least. So it means that there's definitely a bird in my house. I've had birds in there before. I've had really bad experiences with birds. I was on holiday once and this robin decided to jump all over me whilst I was in bed, and my parents just thought it was like a really good idea to take pictures. And when I mean robin, I mean like robin redbreast, and it was like midsummer. I don't get it myself, you know, I don't understand why there was a robin out that time of year, but like it was hopping all over me. My parents thought it was funny, and if I can find any pictures, I'm pretty sure I have them saved somewhere, I'll give them to you. I'll put them on screen because it's so funny. It was the worst thing in my life. Thank God we were leaving that day because I would not slept in a bed that a bird has hopped on, because that was weird. Anyway, it just sounded so fucking heavy, this thing. And you know, I didn't hear fluttering at first. So is there fucking 2 things down there? Is the first thing dead? Is there a littler one? I don't know what it could be. And I don't want my parents to come back early because they left the house. I mean, good for them, you know. They went away for the weekend. And I'm like dog sitting, looking after the house, whatever. I don't want them to come back early because I wouldn't want to come back early. I've heard my dad texting downstairs, so I'm going to go read his text in a second. I'm just sorting out my crap. I'm going to put you there for a minute. Alright, I'm going to go downstairs and see what my dad has texted me. Put my leggings on right now. I definitely don't hear any noises down here, that's all I can say. And anybody else get this, or is it just my family who are like terrorized by these birds? Like, what can we do, like, exactly? Because I know there's loads of birds in the area. Like, can we file a report against that tree because it harbors birds? Can we file a report against that bush because it harbors birds? What can we do? Okay, this battery will probably die on me, but I heard it, and my dad just said that he would come back and release it, and have to get someone to come put a cap on the chimney, and said that I was their alarm clock, and I know I feel bad. My dad's normally an early waker anyway, so it's strange for me. Anyway, but yeah, I was like texting him. I was like, "Oh, it's okay, it's not fluttering," and then as soon as I text that, it started to flutter. Yeah. I'm not amused at all with this birdie situation. But I also texted him, like, but seriously, stay longer if you want, enjoy the time away from the wildlife park. Seriously, I'm starting to think that we live in one. I really am starting to think that we live in a wildlife park because of our birds that are around here. Like, non-stop gobbing off sometimes. But yeah, there's something fucking huge. Okay, that was Prince snoring. I literally thought he was fucking scratching, and I was like, oh my god, it's not a fucking bird, it's a rat. It's the same day. I just changed my top because the weather is getting hotter, and wearing black in heat isn't a good idea. And I already have a headache, and I think I have heat exhaustion. Whatever. Anyway, thought I'd give you an update on the bed. My parents are still out, so the bed is still there. I'll insert some clips of my dog and the bed because it's so cute. She was like, but yeah, it keeps bang-a-lang-a-langing, and I think there is only one in there. I thought there were two, but I think there's one. Maybe the other one's dead. I don't know. It's been there a long while, but yeah. And people will be like, well, why don't you just let it? No, I would have said I have a bad experience with birds. Me and birds do not go together, and I also cannot take that fireplace off myself. So the bird will come out, dead or alive, I don't know. It couldn't just fucking fly out. Like, it got in, like, get out. And I'm pretty sure it, like, goes big and then small. Like big and then small. Oh, so, like, it should be able to get out, right? I don't know. But yeah, I just hope it flaps out of the when get it out, because if it just fucking hops, I'll be fucking shitting myself even more. Anyway, so I'm dying of heat, like I said. My dog, I'll insert in a little clip or a picture of my dog laying under the fan air cooler because it's that hot. But he moved, so I put it on me because I'm fucking selfish. It's kind of on me. I can kind of feel it every now and then. It's good. It's on swing, so like everyone gets it. Cause I'm not that selfish. I got a glass of water. I got a glass of lemonade because I just took some child medicine. Instead I take actual medication. So here's child paracetamol and ibuprofen. Because of my headache, and I also have. It's just the funniest thing. I got a dishcloth, and you think, oh, you're cleaning? No, I'm not cleaning. I can't find a flannel. It's a clean one. It's a brand new one, shiny from Beckett. You know, I'm not disgusting. It's just to like keep me cool. You know, just to like dab and keep me fucking awake as well, because this heat is making me tired and I don't want to sleep. Because anyway, as you can tell, I have not brushed my hair yet, so that might be a reason for my headache. So I'm gonna go brush my hair in a minute. I need to get my brush out actually. I have done things I wanted to do today because I've been like on YouTube. It's Sunday though, like I don't want to do anything on Sunday. I shouldn't have to. Like, no one is here, so I don't have to. Oops. Sorry about the wallpaper. My hair is so knotty, and I did not even hairspray this motherfucker. It's because I was born with curly hair. Get me now. And when I was younger, like, I literally had a fucking afro. Well, it wasn't an afro, but you could have basically call it an afro for white people, you know. A perm, is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. I had one, and it was ugly. My fringe likes me. It's just like the other bits. They just did not get the memo. But they are dry as hell, so I need to do something about that. Oh, it sounded heavy. What? It was tumbling in the wall.
No. It was what?
Tumbling in the wall.
Oh my god. It was what, the wall?
Tumbling.
Here we go then. You ready?
Matt's dead.
Shut that door. Shut the door. Okay, I'm going to run out of it. Yeah. Right.
What's in there?
Yeah. Oh, when was the last time you heard it?
I don't know, a couple of hours ago. I fell asleep. Mum, do you see anything in there?
I hit with the brush thing.
What?
I hit with the brush.
You've got a fucking brush.
A fucking set!
Where?
I'm not okay.
What is it?
I'm gonna cry.
Where is it?
Did you see it?
What is it?
There's a bird!
What's what bird?
I think it's a fucking pigeon!
Nick!
What?
I fucking see it!
Fuck off.
I think it. Oh my god. It's just moved! It's just moved!
Where?
Where?
Stop
What is
it.
it?
We get out.
Is it a big bird
I
or
don't know.
what?
I don't want it to be a pigeon because it might fly at me. Is it a pigeon? Fuck off!
They won't fly out.
That it don't have like a pigeon.
Oh my god, it's a bird.
Whoa! It's
It's not a pigeon.
You sure?
It's a thrush.
Alright!
Has it got?
No, it's sat on the fucking wall.
Don't scare it! Don't scare it! Oh, it's looking at me.
Oh, you fucker! Will you stop doing that?
Ah! Don't kill the bird!
Don't kill the bird.
Don't kill the bird!
What?
Don't kill the bird!
Just give it time because I bet you're scared. It'll come out on its own. I can see it sat there. It's not a pigeon, you daft cunt. I can't believe you just said that.
You've seen it?
Yes, it's sitting looking. It's not coming out yet. I don't know what to do. Let's put your hand in.
Fuck off! Fucking brush is going in.
Nick,
No!
just careful.
Careful, you might kill it!
Come on, birdie.
What
Can't
does
even fucking see it, I don't want it.
Stop it. Fucking thing's just sat there, so it's not fucking bothered, is it? It's sat there. Come on, have a look.
No. Absolutely not.
What?
No!
Ouch.
Don't kill
I
it!
can tell it's a pigeon. Oh look, sit down. It's on the wall.
Where?
Sit down and have a fucking look. There. It's on the brick. Oh my fucking god. It's fucking happy sat there. Happy bastard.
What, do we just let
Fucking leave it.
Let
Yeah,
it.
I bet he's knackered. I bet he's been fretting and fussing. I bet he's knackered.
Oh, it's hurt because it hit itself too many
I
times.
know.
Because it kept fucking banging.
You wouldn't do that.
You had to just sit and wait.
Touch it with a brush.
It moved.
Why you fucking niggas coming? Shut the fucking door! Nick, it's not a fucking rat, is it?
No, it's not a rat, it's a bird.
It's coming. Wait. Wait, fuck off!
It's moved.
It has moved. It's moved along a bit more. It's thinking about it. Will you fuck off? Come on then, birdie. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Linda.
Somebody catch it?
No, Nick, you're fucking not catching the cunt. Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie. Come on, baby.
I think you'll come out because you're friends.
Okay, get back, friend. You sit there. Come on.
You want to throw this over?
No! It's coming out this side. It's coming.
If it comes to me,
Taking the fucking bits for the nest.
I'm shitting myself.
Come on. Come on,
I'm
birdie.
shitting myself. I'm shitting myself. It's going to jump at me. I don't like birds. Birds don't like me.
Birdie, stop eating the fucking wood.
It's going to fly back up on that thing, isn't it? It likes it in there.
Come on then.
I told you that was bird.
Hiya. You fucking cunt. Oh, you're taking the piss now.
What?
Oh, come on, baby, let you go.
Where's it
No,
going?
no, no, no.
Persuade it
Oh,
out
he's
with
hurt
that.
himself.
What?
Oh, baby, come on.
It's hurt himself. No! No!
Push it out.
Don't scare it!
Right, just bang the wall to make sure there's no more. No, Nick, not yet.
What?
I just know what the fuck behind there.
Yeah, I told you I thought I had two!
I think there's only one.
Right, that's fine then. It's just been panicking just because. What do you?
Fuck off! I told you! Okay, so I thought I'd give you an update on the bird situation. The bird got out very safely. We thought it was limping and it was alright. It just hopped off in the bushes and everything was alright. And we still get a lot of birds around the area, but luckily they can no longer go down our chimney. We've put like a cap on top of it. We paid someone to put it on top of our roof on the chimney because we were really bored about how many birds we kept getting. So, but yeah, this was actually the last time we had a bird down our chimney because we solved it. Well, actually, I thought there was a bird the day that it was actually getting fitted. I thought there was a bird down there and it wasn't a bird. Everything went well, but so yes, no more birds except from that they're always outside and tweeting and it's annoying. So thank you so much to my one viewer. Thank you. I'm sorry about that language again. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.